Hello friends, my name is Christopher. This year I picked up this Leatherman Surge shortly after the new year, and I've been carrying it around regularly, almost daily, and I thought this past week I would just record every single time I used it to see what kind of usage I'm getting out of this and how frequent. So here are my honest results. So you've noticed that my most used tools are a knife, either the serrated or the straight, the Phillips head screwdrivers, and hands down the most used is going to be the scissors. And the scissors has a terrific spring action. I really, really like it. So a little over 20 times is, I think, pretty good, you know, in a 6-day period it wasn't a full 7 days. You know, that's about 100 times a month, and that's great. You know, I could go into my workshop or out into the shed and find bigger versions of these tools, but the whole point of carrying something like this on my wallet is that I have a high quality tool at the ready, so I don't need to stop what I'm doing, go find something, and then get back to it. It just keeps me going, and I like it. I like it a lot. So I think it's practical to carry around, and the kind of holster that I have is so low profile, it doesn't really stick out that much that it makes sense to be able to carry it with me regularly. Do you carry a multi-tool? Do you carry a knife? Do you find yourself using it a lot? What are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comments below, and have a good one, guys.